my channel. In today's video, I am showing you guys one of the S-meals that I was telling you guys in my last video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a really good recipe that I really like to have, especially when I'm out on the road. When I go to Tim Hortons, I like to have this type of meal. I'm not going to say it until we get into the video, but before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell, which is on the right hand side, so that when I come out with any of these type of videos, it will come right on your phone. And also too, you don't want to miss out on my videos because I've just been straight out being consistent here with some good content. If you're into the healthy lifestyle, you're into fashion, you're into fitness, whatever, stay on my channel, okay? But with that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're making chili today. It's called BBQ chili. And what we're gonna do first is we're going to cut an onion. So we need to cut about 1 cup of onion. I'm using a red onion just because I don't have yellow onion, so I have to cut a red onion. And then we need a cup of green peppers. Any type of peppers, actually. I think it did say you can use jalapeno peppers, but me personally, I'm going to use green peppers. This is obviously not enough, so I'm going to use a orange pepper as well. Okay, so this is 1 cup of peppers. So now we need 8 ounces of ground chicken. This is 8 ounces of ground chicken. So we're going to now start our process of cooking the ground chicken. So we need about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or your type of oil that you have on hand. I'm using vegetable oil because I am out of olive oil. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that to get warm. All right, so I'm gonna add in the onions first. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook before I add in the ground chicken. So I'm gonna let this caramelize. Now I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of garlic. And this is the garlic that I bought from the grocery store. I'm gonna add in the ground chicken. So we're gonna let this cook for 7 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been cooking for about 7 minutes. So it's looking pretty good. So this is on medium heat. So now I'm gonna add in the peppers. I'm gonna let this cook for about 4 minutes. If you find that your pot is burning, just add a little bit of water. So I'm gonna add a little water to mine. I'm not gonna add oil because we don't want this oily. So that's gonna be good. Alright, so we're gonna let this cook for another 4 more minutes. Okay, so it's now been 4 minutes, so it's been 11 minutes. This chicken has been cooking. Now I'm gonna add in the pinto beans. Make sure that you drain and rinse. Add that in. So these are from the can. Then I'm adding crushed tomatoes. I couldn't find the puree, so we're using crushed today. Very similar. Then I'm adding in diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, adding 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's hard to pronounce. Okay. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. It asks for stevia, but I think I'm allergic to it, so I can't use it. So I'm using brown sugar. And now we're just gonna mix it all up. Ooh, this looks pretty good. We're gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna go right in the middle. 30 minutes, uncovered at low heat. All right. Okay guys, so this has been cooking for about a half an hour. So this is what it's gonna look like. It looks like it is cooked. So I'm going to put it into my bowl. So this is supposed to serve 5 people, so I would imagine the portion is about this much that you're gonna wanna have. So I just cut up some green onion to garnish, because it does say to put some green onion on here to garnish. And we're gonna put some low-fat cheddar cheese on the top. It smells really good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try this now. Here goes. This is good, but it's spicy. So if you can't take spice, don't add too much spice, but it is good. I'm gonna recommend you guys to use about half a teaspoon of chili powder, but it's good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I made one of the S-Meals, which was so good. I'm gonna eat the rest, but I just want to finish up this video. If you have any more video ideas, comment down below. I would love to hear your ideas. I will see you guys in the... There's a lot of pepper in this. I will see you guys in the next video.